Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. It's a one-of-a-kind 1984 Chevrolet Silverado. Frame-off restoration. Beautiful truck in like new condition. Totally restored. And as you can see, a nice lift kit on it. Got some big 44-inch Super Swamper tires. Beautiful paint job. What a truck. Over $70,000 was invested in this truck, so if you're looking for a turnkey show truck ready to go, and don't want to spend a year or two and a bunch of money, this is it. We'll look underneath a little bit here. It's got the 5.7 liter, it's a 350 late model engine. Got some nice hooker headers, powder coated frame, lots of chrome. Got some Flowmaster type exhaust. It sounds really good. We're gonna crank it up in a minute. This here, whoa. I mean, looking at the sky now. This here is your step, comes with it. Comes with a chain, so once you jump in it, you can bring it back in. Unless you're 7 foot tall, you're gonna need this. Beautiful truck. Got the Adramatic Turbo 350 rugged transmission. Got lots of pictures underneath, but I'm trying to show you what she looks like. Alright, got your lights inside behind the grill. Paint job is just amazing. This is painted, these are not pinstripe. All the molding, all the glass, everything's new. It's just like it was when it came out of factory. As far as material. It's got an upgraded sound system. It does have power lock, power windows, and they do work. Everything works on it. It's even got air conditioning. As you see, there's a subwoofer here with some nice speakers. I'm on the ladder here, so give me a minute. There we go. The interior is just flawless. Headliner is nice. Got the sliding rear glass. It's even got the windshield with the built-in antenna in the glass. No cracks, no pecks, no nothing. Here we go. Fires right up. Radios, input radio, auxiliary input, fast level, all the gauge work. What a truck. As you can hear, it's got some kind of competition cam. I don't know which one, but it's hitting pretty good. I have to get my ladder. What a pretty engine compartment. The aluminum radiator with electric cooling fan. Hard right, power steering, air conditioner. Like a piece of jewelry. Beautiful. If you're looking for an awesome truck at an affordable price, this is it. I'm running a special right now with the buy it now. That includes shipping anywhere within the lower 48s. So, not a bad deal, because this is not going to be cheap to ship. You click the buy it now and it will be delivered right to your house. To see if this monster truck's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late, then it's gone. Smells good too. This is one I should keep, but I sell them. That's what I do. So here we are. If you got any questions, I'll try to do my best to answer any of them. You can give me a call or text me anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching, and come and see us.